Well, guys, let's talk about that train. The Fani Willis train. The train that Fani Willis said is coming for Donald Trump. Folks, it's not going to happen. Okay, I've been pretty clear in other videos. It is not going to happen. This case, my friends, is dead. It's dead. It's not officially dead, but this trial is never going to happen. The only one that was going to happen was the one in New York, and we saw how that went. It was all fits. That was the trial that people cared the least about, and it backfired because Trump ended up getting a whole bunch of support and raised a whole bunch of money. People are not abandoning Trump. He's actually getting more people on board the MAGA train. Now, the MAGA train is the only train that's coming. Well, today, guys, we got some news here about Donald Trump's appeal to get Fani Willis removed from his case. And this is a nightmare scenario for Fani Willis because it's not going to happen for a while. Now, she wanted this trial to start this summer. She was actually pressing the judge, we need to start this trial this summer. No, it's not going to happen. Because Judge Scott McAfee, even though he's a coward, he put this in the hands of someone else. He actually approved Trump's appeal to get Fani Willis removed. Now, the MAGA train is coming for Fani Willis in October now. Let's get into it, guys. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, become a channel member, live stream every single Friday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you're watching on Rumble, click the join button to get access to the same thing. So here we go, guys. It's over. Trump's appeal to disqualify Fani Willis from Georgia case gets October hearing date. And what actually happens the next month? Oh, the general election. So this trial is not going to happen before the election. That is officially guaranteed, guys. Officially guaranteed. Like I said, this is the nightmare scenario for Fani Willis. Now, especially, if Trump actually wins, then the case is really officially dead. Plus, the Georgia Republicans are coming for Fani Willis. The federal government is coming for Fani Willis, misusing funds. Yeah, it's not going to happen, man. This thing is over with. It is over. They're not going to actually have a sitting president if Trump wins the election going to trial. It's not going to happen. Let's read this, guys. It says, the Georgia Court of Appeals has tentatively scheduled a hearing date of October the 4th for the case brought by former President Trump and his co-defendants to have embattled District Attorney Fani Willis disqualified from the case. Quote, President Trump's interlocutory appeal was docketed today in the Georgia Court of Appeals, and oral arguments is tentatively scheduled for October 4th, 2024. Steve Sadow, lawyer for President Trump, said in a statement, quote, we look forward to presenting arguments before judges Trenton Brown, Todd Markle, and Benjamin Land on why this case should be dismissed and Fulton County DA Willis should be disqualified for the trial's courts acknowledge odor of menacity, misconduct, in violation of the Georgia rules of professional conduct. Yeah, she should be disqualified, man. She actually should be disbarred. She should be investigated. She should be charged with perjury because this woman lied on the stand. Now, it does say here, Judge P.J. Miller has recused herself, and Judge Brown is her replacement. The date is tentative, subject to motions from the parties agreeing on the date. October 4th is roughly a month out from the presidential election, all but nullifying Willis's aim to have the sweeping racketeering case against the former president and presumptive 2024 GOP nominee go to trial before the election. Yeah, it is not happening, guys. This is good news for Donald Trump. Now, for Fani Willis to actually go after Trump like that, that is ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. You see, also, by the way, in Wisconsin now, they're actually prosecuting now Trump's lawyers for the 2020 election over there. They took a page out of Fani Willis's book where they were actually charging Donald Trump's lawyers with giving legal advice. Pretty much the same thing, guys. Pretty much the same thing. This is the kind of clown world, banana republic that we're actually living in right now. It is really, really crazy, man. Fani Willis, though, did this to herself. She could not keep her legs closed from Nathan's hot dog. He's already gone. And you know what, guys? Also, by the way, let's just say that the October 4th date is correct, and that happens. When will the Court of Appeals actually rule? Are we looking at another month, another 2 months, probably around December? And by that time, Trump is already elected. And let's just say that that it's actually they actually denied Trump. Guess what? He can actually appeal even more. But no matter what, guys, this trial ain't happening in 2024. That is a wrap. That is a wrap, man. This case is going to be dead. But I think in all likelihood, man, that she's going to get removed. I really do believe that, man. I really do think that Fani Willis, she's on the clock. She is definitely on the clock, man. I mean, these Democrats, man, are completely corrupt, man. If Trump can't win this in Georgia, man, the whole entire Georgia Republican Party needs to just go away, man. Go away. I really don't even trust that party out there in Georgia anyway. I mean, you guys see how they did Trump anyway. And that was definitely some fishy stuff going on in 2020. But legally, Trump has the right to challenge an election. Democrats have been election deniers. They're the OGs, man. Going back to Bush. Bush's second election victory, 2004. Democrats wanted to reject votes in the Senate. They did it in 2016. I mean, every time they lose an election for the past 24 years, they do that. But if you deny 2020, you're an election denier. We got to try to lock you up. This is how crazy, man, the Democrat Socialist Party is, man. But this is some good news here for Donald Trump, man. This case is never going to happen. It's dead. It is officially dead, guys. But that's just my thoughts on this. What do you guys think of this? Black and White Network fans, let us know what you think about all this in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you next time.